Do a model walk.
Model walk.
Lawrence.
Where's the seagull? There it is.
Ninja run.
Ready? Ninja run, go!
Dude, that was laying down.
What are you doing? Where's that seagull? Down this hole far.
Hey, what the fuck?
Oh!
No.
It's right there! It's right there! It's right there!
Watch him turn around and shit on Lauren.
I think you should give up now. Why did that not work? Lawrence, why didn't that work? Lawrence, I think you should give up.
It's weird, there's people there.
Why didn't it work, Lawrence? Why didn't it work?
There's people there now.
Wait, why didn't your attempt to catch the bird work?
Well, I learned from experience that, you know, the bird is always one step ahead, and sometimes I just have to think for the bird, and next time I'll be ready.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I feel like I'm in like the real world.
Goodbye.
This is my confession.
Goodbye.
Bye.